Today we're going to be looking at running low voltage landscape lighting wire under a sidewalk or walkway. Step 1 would be lay down a tarp on the sidewalk to help make cleanup fast and easy when you're finished. Then you want to move the mulch to the side so you can easily spread it back when you're done. Then dig out a hole on each side of the pathway that is roughly 12 to 18 inches wide and deep enough to go below the cement of the sidewalk. Once you see the side of the cement slab exposed, you can feel with your hand and find a spot to drill that is just below the sidewalk through the dirt. You don't have to go too much lower than the cement here. Now go ahead and get your drill and your flexible auger drill bit. These are typically about 40 to 50 inches long, and we'll put a link for one in the description. The hole at the top is where you will strip and tie the wire through, but more on that in a minute. Next, set your drill bit in place under the sidewalk slab. Notice how he dug the hole about 2 to 3 feet back towards him so he has room to run the auger. Now you can start drilling and work your way through the dirt. The auger is flexible so it will bend while you drill. You can also place a shovel on the other side so when you drill through and you hit the metal on the other side, you know you're done. Be sure to leave the drill in the hole while you do the next step. Go ahead and strip your wire so it's ready to tie to the drill bit. You're going to strip it back further than you normally would, so you have plenty to tie around the drill bit. Then tightly twist each exposed wire, but they're still separate at this point. Now bring your wire over to the hole. You'll notice that he wedged a trowel under the bit to raise it up and make it easier to run the wire through the hole at the end of the drill bit. Push one side of the exposed wire all the way through the hole, then twist it with the other side so it's tightly secured around the drill bit. Now, pull the drill back through the hole to get the wire on the other side of the path. You may have some resistance, so it's okay to slowly reverse the drill a little bit when you pull back, but don't do it too much to avoid twisting up the cable. Next, pull the length of the wire that you need to finish your landscape lighting through the hole, and I'll also mention here that some people prefer to use metal or PVC pipe as a conduit and hammer it through under the sidewalk instead of just running the wire. But that requires you to dig a much longer trench to make it possible to hammer the pipe through straight. We prefer this method when only one wire is needed. And that's it. We've successfully run low voltage landscape wire under the sidewalk to continue our landscape lighting plan for this property on the other side of the pathway. Now we just have to put the dirt back, compact it down, and spread the mulch back so no one ever knows you were there and it looks perfectly clean. Check the description for links to all the tools you'll need to complete this job and tons of great lighting options from Haven Lighting. And be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this.